Frustrated with slow internet? Let's fix that right now. Hello guys, welcome to Wi-Fi Booster, your go-to destination for all things related to Wi-Fi speed optimization. Today, in this video, I'm sharing quick and easy tips to speed up your internet instantly. Tip number 1. Restart your router. First, restart your router. Unplug it, wait for 10 seconds, and plug it back in. This often solves temporary issues and can improve your connection. Tip number 2. Check your connections. Make sure all cables and connections are secure. Loose or damaged cables can slow down your internet. Tip number 3. Move your router. Place your router in a central, elevated spot in your home. Avoid placing it near walls or metal objects that can block the signal. Tip number 4. Limit background activity. Limit background activities on your devices. Close apps and programs that are not in use, especially those that use a lot of bandwidth like streaming services or large downloads. Tip number 5. Use an Ethernet cable. For a more stable connection, use an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. This is especially helpful for gaming and streaming. Tip number 6. Update your software. Ensure your device software and router firmware are up to date. Updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Tip number 7. Change your Wi-Fi channel. If you're in a crowded area, change your Wi-Fi channel in your router settings. Less crowded channels can improve speed. Tip number 8. Use a quality of service setting. Enable QoS, quality of service setting in your router to prioritize certain types of traffic, like gaming or video calls, for a smoother experience. And there you have it. Try these tips to boost your internet speed right now. If you're experiencing any issues in the process, don't hesitate to contact our customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks from Wi-Fi Booster.